welcome back to another in-depth weather video. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. Today we're going to be talking about a few topics, including the tropics and the fire weather outlooks. As we do have some red flag warnings here on the chart, I am on the National Weather Service page right now. You can see red flag warnings, air quality alerts, heat advisories in Southwest California. There's also some wind advisories, high wind warnings, and frost advisories in the Pacific Northwest, all the way into the western northern plains, like South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota, even parts of Iowa there as well. But let's move on here, radar. So not much happening now, a little bit of that atmospheric river moisture moving over the Rockies, but other than that, the remnants of Delta and that cold front are now gone, just affecting Maine now, and then they move off the coast overnight. On the night that I'm filming this, should be off the coast by the time that you are watching this. So definitely got to watch the Pacific Northwest now, as that's where everything's going to be coming in, and we'll see more of that on the satellite. We're going to go to the continental US here, and we're going to click on Geocolor. You can see the next round coming in here. Now, this current round is going to generate a low pressure, and that'll move across, and then behind that you could see some even colder temperatures. But first we're going to talk about the tropics, because we do have a disturbance here in the Atlantic. Broad area of low pressure has 20% chance of development within 48 hours and 5 days. Now in the East Pacific, Tropical Storm Norbert has reformed. Right now it has 40-mile-an-hour winds, 1,005 millibar central pressure, and moving northwest at 15 miles an hour. Now for the cone of this storm, it is expected to become a tropical depression yet again, but the Baja California region could be affected by this storm as it becomes a tropical depression. Mostly probably just some rain and some light winds. Fire weather outlooks. So we do have 3 areas of critical risk, one in California east and northeast of San Francisco, another one in Colorado, Wyoming, Nebraska, and Kansas, and then another one in New Mexico and Texas. Critical risk covers 71,000 square miles with a population of 6 million, includes Albuquerque, New Mexico, Sacramento, California, Stockton, California, Modesto, California, and Fort Collins, Colorado, as just some of the larger population centers at risk. Now let's move on here to the NAM 3-kilometer model. So we can see overnight tonight that moves through that system in the east. Now we do have this clipper system. I call it a clipper, might not be, but behind that you can definitely see that inflow of cold air, and there's actually some snow on the back side of that in Canada. A little bit of a front pops up here, and that eventually pushes through, leaving behind a much colder central part of the US. You can see, definitely seeing those effects of this much colder air mass moving into the country here, and that's why we have those frost advisories, hard freeze warnings, all that stuff. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.